Hello everyone and welcome to today's lesson on web accessibility. So today we'll be learning about Google's voice typing. So we'll be learning to use Google's voice typing to help us do some typing without having to type. Okay. So this feature should certainly make good use of artificial intelligence. Probably should be neural networks. I think recurrent neural networks. Yeah, I think that should be it. And this kind of technology is usually speech recognition or text to speech or speech to text. Okay, but this time around we want to do speech to text. Okay, and then Google has that feature called voice typing that would help us to be able to achieve this. This is very useful because when you have persons who have some motor function issues, such as you're an amputee, or maybe you don't have um, arms. Okay, so typing might be difficult for you. Okay, and you wouldn't want someone to type for you. Okay, so voice typing is there for you to speak and then it will do the typing for you, as easy as pie. Okay, so that said, let's get started. Okay, so in your Google Docs you would have to go to tools, as you see here. Then you would scroll down, then you go to, sorry, not to, okay, tools, you go to voice typing. Okay, so there's voice typing. We have various languages that you can switch, you can, yeah, you can choose. Okay, so I'm going with the default English US. So all I have to do is just to click and then I can start talking. Okay, so thank you guys for joining this session. It's great to have you all for today's lesson. Google Voice Typing make good use of recurrent neural networks. That's artificial intelligence, and then this kind of technology is very okay. So I think I'll leave it here. Okay, so you can see it's doing the typing for us, and then I can stop by just clicking on the icon here. Okay, the microphone icon here. So it's done typing. Now, what you can do is, I think, do you have a new line? Let me see. New line. Okay, so when you say new line, you can see it has put on a new line. New line. Okay. Hello, everyone. New line. So now we can start typing. Okay. So I'm going to stop here. Okay, and then I'll just, let me see if I have something here. Okay, so if you click on this info question mark here, you can see it gives you the commands that you can use to actually help you achieve what you want to achieve. Okay, so you can also stop the voice typing. Let me see how. Okay, so they said to stop voice typing, say stop listening. Okay, let's see. Okay, so there's a way to add and edit tables. Okay, so there's a whole lot of commands that can help you achieve this, but let's just do that of the stop typing and let me see. Wait. New line. Okay, so I'm going to try to say stop typing. Stop typing. Hello. Stop listening rather. Stop listening. Stop listening. Okay, it's still listening. Hello, hello. Can you stop listening? Stop listening. Okay, so it's still not working. I don't know. Maybe I need to find a way. Let me see it again. But another option is also to, let's say I'm going to switch to Chinese. So I'm going to scroll down, then look for Chinese. Chinese, Chinese. There are various forms of Chinese here. Okay, so let me just choose the first one, and then I search this hello everyone. So Dajai how. Okay, so Google Translate Dajai how. Okay, so let me just do that. Let me put this on a new line. Sorry, Dajai how. Dajai how. Then let me see. I think master is Shifun. Yeah, we used to wear some this thing called Shifun. So Shifun, 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 master. Okay, so when you see when I speak English, It doesn't seem to. Okay, so it's also typing in English, even though I choose the Chinese option. Okay, so let me see. Chifu, Daija How. Okay, so it's still working the same. Okay, so this about the voice typing feature. So next we would learn about some screen reader that can help you convert text to speech. Okay, so it's an extension, Chrome extension provided by Google that can help you do the otherwise of this. Okay, so thank you, and then I'll see you in our next lesson. Thank you.